to make any extra jumps? No. Okay, that's just the end. Okay, so I'll try this out. Neat. I'll try this out. Odds are I'm probably not getting... I literally tapped the freaking screen. Odds are I'm probably not going to get that far. Might not get anywhere if we're gonna keep doing that, you know? Okay, there we go. Ha! The game thought I died again. LOL. That's actually just... I don't... Okay, crap. I had to stay silent for that because that part is, like, off. Literally, is there something wrong with me? There must be. I get to that fine, but then it's just a freaking... Look at this. Perfect. Almost. Near or death. It's either near death or just death. I'm actually bad at this freaking game. Oh my god, I'm wow. Wow. Okay. See, perfect. There we freaking go. Oh my god, I almost freaking died right there. Okay. What? Can I get to the drop, please? That would just be nice. If I could get to the freaking drop. I almost died there again. Okay. Okay. I expect to die there, but at least I got that freaking drop. My god, I'm actually bad at this game. I'm bad at this game! Who wants to bet money that I'm going to get to the drop on the funny number? Because I'm at attempt 64 right now. I don't even know what that was. I'm just not having a good day right now. Like, skill-wise, because this frickin', this blows, dude. Alright, there we go. Crap! I'm just inching my way forward. I seriously do not want to die at a triple at 69 attempts. If so, then I'm just quitting this game. Because the freaking level is because the game is mocking me at this point. Okay, here we go, guys. Attempt 69. Please don't die to a triple. Okay, good. Alright, we're safe. Alright, there we go. But oh my god! Alright, nice. Drop. I'm gonna die the next one. Oh my god. I thought I died too. I'm not gonna... Literally, why did my brain just freaking die? It was just stuck. It was literally stuck. I'm talking Gorilla Glue hair stuck. Right now. Okay, can I get past UFO, please? God says no, apparently. Yeah, this level has a bunch of really weird transitions like that. Like, I don't know. Like, I think I gotta be diving down as the ship in that part. Oh my god. Tap number 2? Nah, okay. Alright, we got farther, though. We got farther. That's at least good. We got farther. That's at least a good thing. I need to fluke some parts, bro. I've just been inching my way forward. I gotta, like fluke some stuff. I haven't done that in a while. Literally? Why do you... How do you even... What was that? What was that? Ow, what is even happening right now? I can't even comprehend this level of lost skill that I apparently have. Where was... I swear I could have done that. I swear I did that perfectly. I swear. I'm not even... Oh! Nope. No!